This video poster presents a book about Australasian tektites. It contains 42 chapters, as well as a dictionary and a reference list. After watching each video poster, you can download relevant chapters for detailed readings, using the link in the description below. This poster is about erosion. Erosion includes both mechanical abrasion and chemical weathering. Often mechanical and chemical erosion have worked on the same tektite. Chemical erosion is often visible in differences in glass surfaces. Uneroded surfaces are blank and shiny, and show no layering in muang nong tektites, while chemically eroded glass is mate, and show irregular patterns, inclusive schlieren and layering, distinguishable from round or oval-shaped bubbles. Primarily, mechanical weathering is abrasion, and exfoliation like the Philippinites. Abrasion mainly attacks extruding areas, and can show thumbnail structures or spalling, while lower areas like bubble cavities can remain shining blank. Mechanical erosion can knock off spalls, leaving an impact point with concentric shockwaves around. The spall area can be shining blank compared to more eroded parts of the tektite. Spalling on a muang nong tektite left a collar in the spalled area, marked with a C. It shows finer layering structures than the coarser outside area, showing that the outside area was chemically eroded for a longer time than the spalled area. A spalled area on a splash-form tektite, showing schlieren, after chemical erosion, and at the top right corner, part of the collar rim, at the white arrow. A muang nong tektite seen from the side. The glass is made after chemical erosion, and at the center, many thumbnail spalls were knocked off. The layering was very fine, and only revealed where horizontal vents degassed. Another muang nong tektite with spallation, leaving shining blank glass, in contrast to the remaining more mate, chemically eroded surface. Close-up images of an Onda tektite, showing thumbnail spalling on the top left and right images. The cavities are less eroded, and more blank, than the surroundings. The bubble cavities in the tunnel are also blank like the central bubbles. All cavities were protected by the higher elevated areas. A large splash-form tektite with a small, still blank, spall on the downside rim, marked by the yellow arrow. Similar small spalls on the top side, marked by white arrows, now almost eroded to the same level as the rest of the tektite surface. A heavily eroded splash-form tektite, seen from the top and button sides. The erosion may be regmaglip structures, from aerial ablation. On the top side a spall was knocked off, leaving a collar, and blank glass, with a quartz grain included, surrounded by a crater rim. The grain may have impacted when the tektite interior was still elastic. Download Chapter 16 from the link below, to read more about these topics.